Hi guys! Welcome to Best Friend's Kitchen! If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so you will get updated for our future videos. Today, we're going to show you how to make ube bar. I'm sure na magugustuhan nyo ito. Pwede nyo itong gawing pang negosyo or pang merienda. So, eto nga pala mga ingredients for this recipe. Tara, simulan natin. Una, isip lang natin yung flour, sugar, powdered milk, baking powder at ang salt. Then, i-add nyo na yung softened butter at ang water. After that, i-mix nyo lang ito hanggang sa mag-form yung dough. Kapag nag-start na mag-form yung dough, gamitin nyo lang ang inyong mga kamay sa paghalo at mag-start na kayo magmasa. Masahin nyo lang ito hanggang sa maging smooth at elastic yung dough. After nyo masahin yung dough, ilagay nyo lang ito sa isang baking pan at i-make sure na pantay ang pagkakalagay. After that, bake it in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. By the way guys, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Habang binibake natin yung bread, i-prepare muna natin ang ube syrup. Sa isang kawali, i-combine nyo lang yung water, sugar at ang ube flavor. Haluin nyo lang ito at lutuin sa mahinang apoy hanggang sa mag-dissolve ang sugar. Kapag luto na, i-transfer nyo lang ito sa isang maliit na ramekins bowl at hayaan nyo itong lumamig. And now, ready na yung bread natin. I-cut nyo lang yung bread sa maliit na rectangular sizes. Tapos, i-dip nyo lang yung bread sa ube syrup at i-coat nyo ito ng desiccated coconut. Ulitin nyo lang yung same procedure hanggang sa makoat ang lahat ng bread. At ayan, ready na ang ube bar natin. We hope that you enjoyed this video and please give us a thumbs up. You can also comment down below if you want to request recipes that we can feature on our next vlogs. Paki-share na rin ang video ito para everybody happy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, till our next vlog.